Hello all, today we are introducing the wall gypsum plastering procedure in detail. Some of you shall think that gypsum plastering is a new and emerging technology in the construction field. But actually it is as old as the ancient pyramids about 3,000 years ago. Gypsum is a soft sulfate mineral composed of calcium sulfate dihydrate. It is widely used as a fertilizer in sculptures and as plaster material. Gypsum is a chalk-like material and is very light in weight. It is available in crystalline form in nature. In recent years, the construction sector has witnessed a number of new trends, technology advancements, and innovations across applications, all aimed at making construction faster and delivering higher performance. Nowadays, gypsum has proved to be a miraculous material, aiding interior construction due to its properties. We started preferring gypsum plaster instead due to its superior finish like glow, shiny and reflective and time-saving attributes. First of all, we are using the milky white Irani super micronized gypsum from the Green Gold brand. The property of this green material has increased setting time of 30 minutes, which will make it stronger from the inside. This property also allows more coverage of walls, approximately 20 to 23 square feet per bag, with less wastage compared to other brands. Now let's take a look at how gypsum plastering is done. All holes and cracks on the surface of the brick wall should be repaired before plastering. Ensure that all the electrical conduits and plumbing lines are placed inside the brickwork if they are concealed. Gypsum plasters usually come in ready mix bags. Extract the powder into a dry vessel and mix it with water thoroughly. The mixture has to be stirred for 2 to 3 minutes until it comes to paste consistency. Gypsum reaction produces less heat as compared to cement reaction with water. So there are fewer shrinkage cracks in gypsum plaster as compared to traditional cement plaster. Ease of application. Workability. Gypsum can be directly applied over brick or block work without separate finishing. It is also very easy to apply and level gypsum plaster. Quick setting time. Gypsum sets quickly, that is within 25 to 30 minutes, so painting could be started 72 hours after the application of gypsum plaster. Plaster has to be dried up before painting. curing time required. Unlike traditional cement plaster, gypsum plaster doesn't need any curing, saving water and time during construction. High productivity reduces time considerably when compared to conventional cement plaster. There is no need for putty and white cement. Check the thickness of plaster that needs to be applied to the wall. It should not be more than 12 millimeters. For the thickness of the plaster, we are making small gypsum plaster squares by pouring a small amount of plaster into a plain surface and stick it into the wall as required thickness. Check the verticality of the wall surface by using plumb level and remove undulations if any. Now fix the lever rod. Apply gypsum plaster to a solid surface with firm pressure. As the plaster stiffens, carry out further flattening. Finished surface should be protected from continuous exposure to moisture. Travel the surface progressively to get a superior finish like glow, shiny and reflective. Painting work should only be started once the surface has become completely dry. Excellent high strength after drying, durable and lightweight, reduces dead load on structure. Perfectly lined, leveled, smooth walls and perfect right-angled corners. Reduced supervision. Careful quality checking is required for cement plaster as cement and sand have to be properly proportioned. In contrast, gypsum plaster doesn't require the same amount of quality checks for application, thus reducing supervision efforts. Gypsum is soundproof, fire resistant and low thermal conductivity. This saves electrical cost, regulates humidity and improves air quality. Decorative application. It can be easily applied to decorative purposes also and can be molded into different shapes. Gypsum plaster cannot be used for outside walls since they retain dampness. Also, gypsum plastering cannot be done in areas that are continuously damp, such as bathrooms, etc. All these facts lead you to save about 30% of the putty finishing cost. Isn't it simply amazing? Hope this video will be useful to you guys. Thank you.